friends, you would have observed that in any business, the vendored items contribute 60 to 70% of the sale value, which means it's a very important factor of production. And therefore, development of vendors is a very important activity which one must do very sincerely. The vendors have to be assessed first before developing them about their facilities, about their capability, about their attitude, and their capacity to supply you the goods of correct quality, and they should be able to deliver you on time and also control the costs. Therefore, vendor development requires that you train the vendors in the processes that you want them to follow and make sure that they adhere to those processes. Therefore, if you develop the vendors, which is basically an extension of your factory, consider them as that. Don't squeeze them. Give them decent profits. Give them money on time, and your production will run very smoothly. This is a very important factor one must keep in mind when running his or her own business. Thanks.